Understanding rental properties. A guide for English learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the concept of rental properties. Whether you're learning English for personal growth, business, or travel, understanding such terms can be incredibly helpful. So, let's dive in and demystify what rental properties are all about. A rental property is a type of real estate property that is owned by an individual or a company and is leased or rented out to tenants. The owner of the property is called a landlord, and the person renting the property is known as a tenant. Rental properties can be residential, like houses and apartments, or commercial, like office spaces and shops. The key point here is that the property is used for the purpose of generating income through renting. There are various types of rental properties, each serving different needs. The most common types include 1. Apartments and flats. These are individual units in a larger building. They are popular in urban areas. 2. Single-family homes. Standalone houses rented out to families or individuals. 3. Duplexes, triplexes. Buildings divided into 2 or 3 separate living spaces, each with its own entrance. 4. Commercial properties. These include office spaces, retail stores, and warehouses, rented by businesses. Understanding these types helps in identifying what kind of rental property might suit your needs or investments. Renting a property involves several steps. 1. Searching for a property. Tenants look for a property that meets their needs and budget. 2. Lease agreement. Once a suitable property is found, a legal contract called a lease agreement is signed between the landlord and tenant. This agreement outlines the terms of the rent, duration, and other conditions. 3. Paying rent. Tenants pay rent, typically monthly, to the landlord for using the property. 4. Maintenance and upkeep. The responsibility for maintenance can vary, but usually, landlords take care of major repairs. Understanding this process is crucial for anyone looking to rent a property. It's important to understand that rental properties are governed by laws which vary from place to place. These laws protect both landlords and tenants. Tenants have certain rights such as the right to a safe and habitable living environment, and the right to privacy. Landlords also have rights, like receiving rent on time and maintaining their property. Knowing these laws is essential for a harmonious rental relationship. That's all for our video on rental properties. We hope this has given you a clear understanding of what rental properties are, the types available, the rental process, and the legalities involved. If you're planning to rent a property or become a landlord, this knowledge will surely come in handy. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.